Okay. Normally, I keep my tissue paper here, but it's speed up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be hiding them under this place because we have a lot already. So put them here, just to systemize the stuff. You get it? Or you leave it? Let's go, guys. Before we proceed systemizing the stuff, all of them, I just quickly, because I washed all this stuff before I left home, so let me quickly systemize them, clean them out, keep them out of this angle. Okay, out of this angle. Ekilode. You get it or you leave it? Okay. Guys, I bought some fish. Really. We will do this one later because the fish is here. I need to clean it. So I will show you guys what I got. We are almost done cleaning everything. All right. Then I have this pot to emboss this period because my husband mother bought it for me. So all this kitchen paper is going up here. 1, 2. Okay. You see? Let's go continue systemizing. I feel good.